Welcome back. You're watching Commodity Champions. Joining us now on the show is Saurabh Gadgil, his Managing Director and CEO at PNG Jewellers. Mr. Gadgil, I thank you so much for joining in. Well, we've been talking about gold prices and the way the global central banks buy gold. But when it comes to India, we've seen a bit of a decline when it comes to retail buying. The investment numbers still seem on the higher side. What has been your sense in this year until now?
Good afternoon, Manisha. Like you rightly said, high prices have taken the sheen off gold buying, especially festive buying, especially the big ticket items where budgets have been a constraint on people's mind. And that has led to a lot of people using old gold as a currency to buy new gold. Old gold today is almost 50% of the entire purchase of gold jewelry. But having said that, we have seen a little dampening in terms of heavy jewelry sales. And that's the reason why jewelers at PNG, we're doing two things. One is we're looking at trying to experiment with 18 karat gold jewelry, even a part of the wedding jewelry collection, and looking at the lightweight jewelry collections in 18 and 14 karat, which can be easy on the pocket and make this anytime buying or casual buying, impulse buying category, which is today fast growing, be more on that space. Because prices today seem to be heading northwards, and people for the last 2 months were in a little wait and watch mode, and that has had an impact on the entire festive buying and big ticket items in gold jewelry.
Oh, well, absolutely. I do understand, Mr. Gadgil, that you also have come out with a new collection, keeping all of that in mind.
Yes, so we realize that there are three categories of jewelry buying. One is investment buying, which is gold bars and bullions. The second is the most important, the festive and the wedding season buying. And the third category we realize is this what we call as anytime gold buying, which is you're buying for your own self for different occasions which are important for you. This is for working women. This is targeting women who want to just have some jewelry for going out for a coffee. It can be a party wear jewelry, and this anytime jewelry market we feel is growing at a very fast rate. This is a market where the ticket values are in the range of around 50,000, primarily gold studded, and both 14, 18 karat. And that's the market which we're entering into by a brand called Lifestyle by PNG, LS by PNG. It's a brand which we're launching in physical stores and also online. And by this weekend, this brand should be available online at lifestyle.com and also at all the PNG stores. We are confident that this category is something which will help us to push gold sales, push diamond sales, and target that customer which is not very price conscious, but which is more design conscious. So the focus here will be high on designs and light on prices. So the tagline also is lifestyle jewelry, light on pocket, but very seriously on fashion.
All right. High on design, on light on pocket is a good one there. Sort of another thing is that the online offering that you're making with this jewelry, is it going to be pan-India?
Yeah, online will be pan-India, and later on we'll also look at pan in a worldwide. So this will be completely omni-commerce. So the entire inventory in all the stores would be online. So people can browse online, buy offline, or they can even make the entire purchase online and get free shipping. So we're looking at both the options because we feel that this category, anytime jewelry shopping, will really click online, because this is something which is impulse, which is because you want to make yourself feel special. It's light budgets, so it's something which will definitely pick up online.
Saurabh, also with the way the gold prices have been moving and markets expanding, what really has been the sense for 2025 now? Because the first quarter wasn't so great, but going forward, would you say, as always is the case, post-August, when the festivities and the wedding season comes back, is when the sales will start picking up?
I think Q1 will be flat. If you look at, I think Q1 and Q4 would be looking at almost a flat or maybe a single-digit, growth. But like you're saying, Q2 is looking strong. Primarily 2-3 reasons. The month of Shravan starts in mid of July, followed that by Rakhi, Ganpati. So it will be a festive mode. Also, Q2 will be a time when people will be done with their June is normally a time when people take a break. Schools, colleges start. The focus is shifting more towards family. In again July, August, the focus will move to a festive mode. And most importantly, the price of 95,000, 1 lakh is something which was making people wait and watch. And now we're seeing that people somewhere are getting the feeling that gold prices don't seem to be coming down. And if we wait further longer, we'll be end up buying at a still higher price. So people are entering the market slowly and steadily. So we feel that festive buying, wedding shopping would also commence by July, August. So overall, Q2 and Q3, I think, look bright, and prices should not be a dampener, is what we feel.
All right. Congratulations, Saurabh, on Lifestyle by PNG. And as you said, those designs and that collection will start coming in, start hitting us by this weekend. So we'll, of course, keep an eye out on that. Thank you so much for your time joining us. Well, with that, let's